Ke District Selection Committee East Garo Hill District William Nagar ka khot online application nagbenta kinong shinong bopura jong ka state Meghalaya nagbenta kini ki post bafer kata lady supervisor stenographer grade 3 CA com stenographer storekeeper LDA gram sevika gram sevak weaving demonstrator data entry operator TB Health Visitor, Computer Mechanic Grade 1, Sericulture Demonstrator, Plumber, Mechanics, Dresser, Knitting Demonstrator, Electrician, Enforcement Checker, Forester Grade 1, Sectional Assistant, Driver, Power Pump Operator, Vaccinator, Leprosy Injector, Surveillance Worker, Multipurpose Worker, Forest Guard, Cook, Mali, Combined Grade 4, Post 1, Combined Grade 4, Post 2, Combined Grade 4, Post 3. But class date ban submit yakini ki application forms kandai hadu ka live poetry u August arhajar ar pusau. Tingini payment yakini ki post ki baper nagbenta ka post ka bankong post nim kandai lady supervisor number of post kandai 1 Garo or Khasi Jaintia number of post kandai 1 salary pay level 8 of revised pay structure grade 3 but ka essential qualification kandai ya ki candidates ki bala pandep ya graduates from any recognized university ka post ka baar post name kandai stenographer grade 3 number of post kandai tangkawai nagamta ki Garo but Khasi Jaintia kandai hi ka way ka post salary pay level 8 of revised pay structure grade 3 class ka ba pila ban apply ya ki bala pandep ya ka HSSLC lane ka class 12 experience in diploma in stenography post ka balai post name kadai CA com stenographer number post kadai tanggawi namta ki Garo Khasi Jaintia salary kadai pay level 5 pay structure grade 3 but ka class ka bala ban apply kadai ya ki candidates ke bala pendep ya ka class 12 lani ka class 10 plus 2 but kideru bandon ya ka experience certificate ha ka diploma in stenography preferably male candidates kamut nakabenta kani ka post balai ki kham perkhat ya ki candidate shinrang ka post ka basau ka post nim kadai storekeeper number of post kandon atali on reserve kandon gawai Garo Khasi Jaintia gawai ka salary kandai ka pay level 5 essential qualification ya ki candidates ki bala pendep ya ka class 12 but kandai ro bandon ya ka experience certificate kum ka certificate course in storekeeper or ITI certificate in motor mechanic preference will be given to a certificate in storekeeping nangta ka post ka basan kandai ka lower division assistant lani LDA ka number of post hangne ka don hadu san khandai tali on reserve pra Garo Khasi Jaintia arpunyo Garo arpuar nangta kiwi pade kindon tang artali ka salary hangne ru kandai ka pay level 5 but ka essential qualification ya ki candidates ki bla pandep ya ka class 12 but ka experience certificate ya ki candidates ki bala don lani ki bala pendep ya ka minimum 6 month computer diploma with a minimum typing speed of 30 words per minute ka post ka bandriu kandai ka gram sevika number post kan don tanggawi na ka panca ki Garo salary kandai pay level 5 ka class ka bala ban apply kandai ya ki class 12 nangta ka post ka banyu kandai gram sevak number post ka don lightly Garo but Khasi Jaintia ka don kawai Garo kan don kawai ka post namta kiwi kamtam ki SC kan don kawai ka post salary kandai pay level 8 of revised pay structure ka class ka bala ban apply nang ka gram sevak de ide ya ki candidates ki bala pendep ya ka class 10 but ki kampar khat ya ki candidate shinrang kamtam ki don kam ban pendep ya ka physical test kam de chip ho kilometer ha ka arkanta but ki candidates ki ba kwa ban apply na kabenta ka te ka post gram sevika ki hab ban pendep ya kini ki jingdon kam kum ka physical test Tisua bangan ya chakmat nga kerpat bepi ki parlok ki bepe ya kene ka video ko jonga bepin ya subha bandum ya skip ya kene ka video khnang bepin tip ki ki pus ki ba light ha kate ka district selection committee hapo East Garo Hill ban kumjuru nga kerpat bepi bepin ya share like ban subscribe na ka benta ki jing tip ki batmai hangning ni pe chu na ka benta ka pus ka bapra ka pus name ka day weaving nama opus ka don southly unreserved ka way kasi jentia artly bat garo ka way ka pay level hangne kan day ka pay level 5 nang ta ka class ka bala ban apply ya ki candidates ki bala pendep ya ka class 12 bat kumju ru ya ki candidates ki bala don ya ka ITI certificate post name ka ba khandai ka day ka data entry operator lane DEO namba opus kadon tangkaway nam ta ki garo lane ki khasi jentia kadon kaway salary gandi ka pay level 8 essential qualification ki bala pendep ya ka class 12 lane degree but ka certificate ha ka diploma in computer application nang ta ka number opus ka ba shipho ka post name kandi TB health visitor number opus kandi kaway nang ta ka salary hangni kandi ka pay level 5 ka essential qualification kan day yagi class 12 kabakhat way post name computer nama post ka way nam ta ki garo kasi ba jentia salary kan day ka pay level 5 essential qualification yagi bala pendep ya class 12 but ka certificate in minimum of 6 month in computer certificate kabakhat ar post name mechanic kan nama post kan don ka way ka salary kan day ka pay level 5 ka essential qualification yagi candidates ki bala pendep ya ka class 10 la ne ka matric but haga juga por kidi bendon ya ka ITI certificate in motor mechanic post ka ba khalai ka post nim ka dei sericulture demonstrator number post kan don tangkawe ka pay level hangne la ne ka salary kan dei ka pay level 5 but ka essential qualification ya ki candidates ki bala pendep ya ka class 10 harang kan but nem ka sericulture training lani ka diploma course at umlong jawai bakat sau post name plumber namba post ka don atli na ka bantaki unreserved ka way garo ka way pay level hangne ka salary ka pay level 4 essential qualification ki bala pendep class 10 ban ka ITI certificate ha ka plumbing bakat san post name mechanics namba post 2 unreserved ka way garo ka way salary pay level 4 essential qualification ki bala pendep class 10 bat ka ITI certificate ha ka motor mechanic bakhan riu kandi ka mechanic grade 2 number post kandi tanggawe ya ki unreserved salary pay level 4 essential qualification SSLC lane class 10 pass bat ka ITI certificate in motor mechanic lane automobile engineering number bakhat new post name kadi tracer number post kadon lightly unreserved 2 garo 1 salary pay level 4 essential qualification yaki bala pendep ya ka class 10 bakhat pra post name kadi demonstrator on knitting number post kadi tangkawe nam taki garo kasi bat jentia salary kadi ka pay level 8 essential qualification yaki bala pendep ya ka class 10 bat ka diploma in knitting bakhat khandai post name electrician number post kadon tangkawe salary kandi ka pay level 4 bat ka essential qualification yagi bala pendep ya ka class 10 harangkat bat ka license in wireman lane ka ITI certificate in electrical engineering arpo post name enforcement checker number post kawe nam tagi garo salary pay level 4 essential qualification yagi bala pendep ya ka class 10 bat harangkat ru bat ka certificate hakbede bat ka enforcement checker arphuei bade ka post nim kade forester 1 number post 2 tang nam tagi garo pay level hangne ka salary pay level 4 bat ka essential qualification kande yaki bala pendep ya ka class 12 ha ka science stream bat kumjuru kide ban pendep ya ka physical test ka bade 10 kilometer ban pendep tang hapo ka arkenta R4R post name sectional assistant number post 2 nam tagi khasi jentia kowe garo kowe salary pay level 4 essential qualification ikibala pendep class 10 ka ba arphulai post nim driver number post hangne ka khambun ka don hadu khat khandai tali unreserved sautali kasi jaintia khandai garo ko we bat ki kiwi pade ki caste lani ki tribes ka don ko we salary hangne ka dei ka pay level 3 essential qualification kan dei ya ki bala pandep ya ka class 8 shejrong bat ka valid driving license de kino ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply na kumta post driver ki de bandon ya ka driving license arbusau post name power pump operator number post 2 unreserved kawai garo khasi jantia kawai salary hangne kan de ka pay level 3 but ka essential qualification hangne kan de ki candidates ki bala pandep ya ka class 8 but kumjuru ha ka practical in operating and maintenance of the pump arpusan post name vaccinator number post kadwan knaitali unreserved kawai khasi jantia sautali garo sautali salary pay level 8 nangta ka revise pay structure jonga grade 3 essential qualification ikibala pandep ya ka class 10 kaba arphunri post nim kadai leprosy injector number post hangne kadon santali unreserved kawai khasi jantia r garo r salary pay level 2 essential qualification ikibala pandep class 10 arphunyo post nim surveillance worker number post pratli unreserved kawai khasi jantia saw garo lai salary hangne kandi ka pay level 2 qualification ikibala pandep ya ka class 10 arpupra post name multi-purpose worker number post hangne kadon hadu neutly unreserved kawai khasi jantia lai garo r bat kwi kadon kwi ke post salary hangne kandi ka pay level 2 ka essential qualification kandai yagi candidates ke bala pandep ya ka class 10 shejrong arpu khandai post name forest guard number post sautli unreserved kawai khasi jantia kawai garo artli pay salary pay level 2 essential qualification i candidates ke bala pandep ya ka class 12 harangkat ka physical test ka badai arsan kilometer kata haka jingya lenti kabalai pho ka dega post name cook number post kadon santali unreserved kawai khasi jantia r garo r ka salary hangne kan diga pay level 1 essential qualification class 8 shejrong life huai post name mali number post kadon hadu pratali unreserved kawai khasi jantia lai garo saw salary pay level 1 essential qualification class 8 shejrong life r post name combined grade 4 post 1 number post kadon hadu driup artali unreserved kadon khat khandai khasi jantia arpusan garo khanyeu bat kiwi kadon kiwi ke post nangta list of post bade kade hapo room bearer sweeper or cleaner process server ward attendants dhobi helper field worker stretcher bearer chokidar and peon tikine gide ki kam ki ba phya bantre ha ka combined grade 4 post 1 salary na kabanta ketika post nim combined grade 4 post 1 kande kape level 8 nang taka essential qualification kande ya ki candidates ki bala pandep ya ka class 8 shejrong nang ta lai phulai post nim kande combined grade 4 post 2 for male candidates only tikane ka number lai phulai kande tang na kabanta ki shenrang number of post kadon khatwei tali na kabanta ki unreserved sautali khasi jantia saw garolai list of posts kakam kababhya bantre kadi khalasi handyman fisherman assistant power trailer operator assistant tractor operator gateman watchman salary hangne kande ka pay level 1 but ka class kababhila ban apply kande yaki class 8 shejrong nangta lai pusau post name hangne kande ka combined grade 4 post 3 kande tangna kumta gi kante number of posts hangne kadon hadu driutli nangta ka list of posts for female attendants ward girl and aya salary hangne ro kande ka pay level 1 ka class ka bala ban apply kande class 8 shejrong nangta ka age limit nang bata ki te ki post ba pher ki ba la dep ka deu haneng kande ya ki candidates ki bomdei banduna ya ka khat pras nem lane kim dei bantam ya ka life ars nem shejrong Bat kandon ru ka age relaxation lane ka jing penjalan reta na kabenta jongi ki ST lane schedule tribes kata hadu sansnem kata kabumut nadu khat prasnem hadu lai punyo snem idang la ban apply na kabenta ki te ki post baper ki bangal ade ban pensngeu shipi tingin ya page kumno pin apply nak benta ki te ki post ki baper hapo ka DSC is Garuhil recruitment arajar arpsau tila kerpan kino ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply nak benta ki te ki post ki baper ki bangala de ban pensngeu shipi bagi de ban apply lane ki de ban pendam da ka online application forms kata da ka ba philate lengba ka official website jong ka is Garuhil kata ka de isgaruhils.gov.in lane na ka DSC page in East Garuhil district website kata kabadai ka eastgaruhil.gov.in/dsc online/ bat nga kerpat ya ki candidates wan num du jingkermen wan num shifting na ka benta banle ya ka online application ngan sabu ya ka link hapo ka description box ka jonga bat phila ban apply na ka benta ki te ki post bat ru nga kwa ban putsngeu shipi balada kidon ki candidates ki bom nang lene ki bom tip kumno ban apply na kumta ki te ki post nga kerpat ya phi bapin comment haki comment section box ki jonga khnang bangan tip kumno ban lano hadu lano ngila ban apply na kumta ki te ki post ha is Garuhil district shushu nagaliang ka office jong ka DSC is Garuhil kala pen bana ba kino ki candidates ki bla dep ban register yalade hakate kaling kila ban apply direct ya kita ki post henry lada don lane lada day ki candidates ki bom pan register ya lade kin so ha ban register shwa ya lade khnang ba phinla ban apply direct ya kita ki post ki bangala dep kedeu haneng kum bangala dep ban pensngeu lane pule shepi ngala ong ba lada day ki candidates ki bom pan register ya lade kin so ha ban register shwa ya lade hapo kate ka website lane kausal website jong ka DSC is Garuhil kata pide bandon ya u valid email ID ban u phone number kumjuru pide ban scan ya ka passport size kata kamduna ya ka sanpho kilobyte bat kumjuru ya ka signature hapo ya ka photograph lani ka passport size ke jongpi nang ta sa upload ha kani ka website ka application an pediang nadu ka shitarik August arjar opsau ban kan kut hadu ka laipui trik u August arjar opsau ban kan kut ru hadu kapor san beje janmit ban kumno kinjit ya kini ki applicants lene ki candidate na ka benta kite ki post baper tikindon ki written test examination na ka benta kini ki subject harum kata na ka benta ka paper 1 kandon ka general English include phrases writing, essay writing, and drafting kata kepada siswa mak. Paper 2 pada elementary mathematics, elementary science, and aptitude kata LIFO mark for aptitude, 100 marks. For paper 3 general knowledge kandon new mark. Teknik exam gade nakabenta ki grade 3 de nakabenta ki grade 4 pada kandon tangkawi ka paper kata kabdai jong ka general knowledge kata sanphomak kandon ru ka application fee lane ka by exams na ka banta jungi ki ST kata kabdai tang sanpho tangka kawi ka application forms phila ban siu ya kani ka by exams lengba ka debit cum ATM cards lane credit cards lane net banking lane ka e-challan cash payment Shusuru naga banta ki jingtip ki ba company phila ban download ya ka notification ka bangan sabu hapo ka description box ko ka jonga ya ka link ka ba phila ban download ya kani ka official notification ha ka ba phila ban pule details lane ba phin kham so thu khamba naga banta ki te ki post ki bangala de ban pensngeu shepi tikermen phin apply naga banta kini ki post ki baper ki ba nakaliang jongka East Garuhil district DSC kalapan lai shangi baro ki ba ka Meghalaya telada bidang dei ki batamai ha ka video umjuru ha ka channel ke jonga ngakarpat ya phi Opinion subha ban ya share, like but subscribe nak benta ka employment news ka batamai kublei shibun.